Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to watch Reels in high quality on Instagram. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, tap on Instagram to open it up. Then go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, if you can't see three horizontal lines right here at the top right, just tap on this drop down. All right. Tap. Then tap away. As you can see, now tap on it, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the setting that is called data usage and media quality. Okay, just tap on it. Now as you can see here, we do have this option that is called high resolution media, but it is grayed out. You can't change it. Now the way to change it is by opening up Data Saver, tap on it. Now instead of Wi-Fi only, you're going to want to tap on it. And if you do have cellular or data, you can go ahead and select this option to always show high resolution media. Okay. Once that's done, just tap on back, and back, or even close the application itself and go ahead and open it up once more and check the settings if it updated. Again, under data usage and the media quality, it is now set to cellular plus Wi-Fi. That's basically how you do it. You can now enjoy high quality videos right here or Reels in Instagram. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.